Hi guys, just a quick update on this glass bed that I fitted to my Ender 3D printer. When I first fitted it, I did videos saying I was quite upset with it because I was having problems. But now that I've got used to it, I've got to say it's excellent. The print sticks to it absolutely fine while it's warm. And then if you let it cool right down again, look, it just comes straight off. It actually releases itself. I don't need to dig at it with my spatula or whatever you want to call it. It literally comes straight off. Absolutely no trouble at all. So I have to admit it was a good buy. Morning guys. Decided to have another go at Greg Zumwalt's air engine car. Let's just see if it works any better using the grey filament or silver filament. We'll see. I think we got a problem. I don't think the bed has heated properly or evenly. So it looks like this one hasn't gone very well. Looks very uneven. And that one's actually peeling up from the bottom, so that's going to be a real mess. I think I'm trying to print too much in one go. I think that's what the problem is. Not good. This is just after I'd done a video on how I'd said that glass plate was excellent and I'd had perfect prints from it. That's annoying. Hi guys. What we're looking at here, although it doesn't look very much, represents probably 2 days worth of printing. Having an awful lot of trouble printing this air engine, Greg Zumwalt's air engine. Nothing to do with Greg's design, just been having silly problems. Like this bit of filament actually has a thick section in it, which jammed in the feed tube. So that print failed. Cut the bit off that was too thick, and it's running again now. Because I thought it was the nozzle had got jammed, I replaced the nozzle, but I didn't do it up tight enough. So one of those is a globule of the filament squeezing out above the nozzle where I hadn't tightened it up enough. Then I tightened it up and forgot to re-level the bed. All things that shouldn't happen, but that's the truth. I forgot to re-level the bed, so it all came loose. So we had that great lump of filament churned round the nozzle. And then we had 3 power cuts in a row last night. So where it got part way through the prints, the printer does have a restart from power fail, but I could see that it hadn't lined up again perfectly, so I abandoned that print. So, as I say, we're talking about 3 days of printing here in the bin. I've also got the completed print, so it wasn't all lost. but these were the bits that didn't make it to the end. Very frustrating. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.